In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this app called Wormhole. You can use the app for transferring files with anyone, anywhere. They don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. They just need to have the app installed on their Android device. So to install the app, you need to head over to the Play Store, double tap the search button down here, and then search for Wormhole. And when you see it, install it to your device. So I'll tap install and wait for a few seconds for it to get done installing. Also, I already have it on this device, so I don't need to install it again. Okay, so it is done installing. I'll open it and I'll just keep this one down for now. Okay, so to transfer a file, you have all these options over here. First, you need to open the app and make sure it is on the send section. So you have all these buttons over here. I'll tap the first one and then I'll navigate to where the file is. So I created a folder called Wormhole, but you have to know where the file you are trying to send is. So this is mine over here, Wormhole, and then I'll tap here and it's going to create this code. So you have to send this code to whoever you want to send the file to. So you can just tap copy and then you send them the code via text. There's also a QR code option. I'll show you that one later, but for now let's use the code. So the other person needs to open their app, tap on the receive section and then enter the code. So it is 35. You don't need to enter the dash, just tap space and a dash will be created. So I'll type the rest of the code, and after that let's change this to lowercase. Okay, all right, so I'll tap receive file. So let's just wait for a few seconds and the files should be okay. So the file is being transferred, and as you can see it is done transferring. So I can open it if I want, but I don't want to. Now let's show you the other way. I'll go back and this time I'll use the QR code option. So I'll tap select file. I'll show you how to access all the files you have transferred. For now, let's tap select file and I'll select the same file. This time I'll be using a QR code. So I'll tap here. I'll tap this one. This is the QR code. Now this is when the phones are close by. So now I'm going to scan the code. But before that, you can tap on this icon over here. As long as you are in the receive part, tap on this icon and tap allow while using the app. If you have a screenshot, because you can take a screenshot of this, send it to the person maybe via chat so they can get the QR code and then they can scan it. And to scan it, they can tap on this icon in the middle to browse all their photos. But since we are not browsing photos, we can just scan the QR code directly from here. So I'll do that. Okay, so that was very fast. Now I'll wait for the file to get transferred, and as you can see, it has been transferred. Okay, so how do you find the files that have been transferred? I just transferred another file to this device, so let's show you how you can find the file. I'll be using this app called CX File Explorer. I've made a video about it. I'll link it in the description of this video. If I don't, please let me know in the comments because I may forget. Anyways, I'll tap this and all I need to do is just tap on main storage, then go to download, and this is the file down here. So whatever file you get using this app, you'll see them in your downloads folder. Now down here there's a button for sharing folders, but I tried it and it doesn't work. The folders will get compressed. That means a zip file will be created, and what happens is that the zip file comes empty, so you won't get anything inside the zip file. So that's why for now I'll not recommend you use the folder sharing option. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Take care and bye bye.